How to redeem Steam gift cards. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this instructional video presentation, I'll demonstrate the process of redeeming a Steam gift card. If you're new to our channel, kindly scroll down and consider subscribing. After subscribing, please also scroll down and give us a thumbs up as we truly value your support. So let's dive right into the guide now. In order to begin, you should open the Steam or visit the Steam website, which is store.steampower.com. Then after, navigate to the username and click on it. Proceed to select the account details option over here. Click on it. This will direct you to the account page, and once there, locate the option to add funds to your Steam wallet, which is highlighted in the blue color. Simply click on it. You can also access the wallet page directly by clicking on your username and selecting View My Wallet. Both methods are effective. So when you click on Add Funds for your Steam wallet, you'll be directed to a page where you are prompted enter and pay with your card details. However, instead focus on the right side of the page. Below your current wallet balance, you will find the option to redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code, which is also highlighted in the blue color. Tap on it and allow it to load. Then after, enter your Steam wallet code in this designated section over here. And then after, click on continue. The system will display the value associated with your code. You can confirm and choose whether to update your account details or not. Once completed, you can use the funds for purchasing games and other items as well. So this is basically on how to redeem Steam gift cards. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.